Hello everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the introduction part of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. For introduction, this is last lecture. In this, we are going to discuss about what is the purpose of marriage and what are the kinds of marriage. In these two topics, we are discussing in detail for judiciary and law examination point of view. Please note down the key points through our whiteboard. See this. First, purpose of marriage. See, what is the main purpose of marriage? The main purpose of marriage is only three things. First one is regularization of sex. Second one is procreation of children. And the third one is to have a good family. To have a good family. For these three things and fulfilling these three things only, marriage is important. And social status, other things also is there. These are main. These three are very important points. And next one, kinds of marriages or types of marriages. Kinds or various types of marriages. See, in this list, total 4 types are there. First type is monogamy. Mono means one. Monogamy means one. When one man marries only one woman. Monogamy means whenever one man marries only one woman, that marriage is called as monogamous marriage. Monogamous marriage. And the second one, bigamous marriage. Second one is bigamous marriage. Okay, in this we have 4 types, subpoints: polyandry, polygamy, endogamy, exogamy. Polyandry, polygamy, endogamy and exogamy. These are the types of marriages. In polyandry marriage, one woman married to more than one man at a time. Here, one woman marrying at a time more than one man. Means 2, 3, 4 like that. And next one, polygamy. It is completely opposite to previous point, polyandry. Polygamy means here one man marrying more than one woman at a time. One man marrying more than one woman at a time. Okay. Next, endogamy. Endogamy. In endogamy, marriage within only one religion. This means marriage happens within Hindus or within Muslims or within Christians. Means marriage happen only within a group. That is endogamy marriage. Means both are Hindus, like that. Next one, exogamy. Exogamy means here intercaste marriages. Intercaste marriages means the marriage happening between two different castes. Two different castes. That is exogamy. See, what we are understanding through this introduction, Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is applicable to only monogamous marriages. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is only applicable to monogamous marriages. It is explained very clearly in section 5 subsection 1 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. We will discuss in that lecture very broadly. Okay, thank you.